CAMPINGMOON Butterfly Table, your compact and versatile portable camp kitchen table. The CAMPINGMOON Butterfly Table, GT3, is a lightweight and portable solution for creating a functional cooking and dining space while camping, picnicking, or engaging in other outdoor activities. This clever folding table is designed for convenience and versatility, making meal preparation in the great outdoors a breeze. Key features: compact and portable. The butterfly table folds down to a remarkably compact size of 36 by 12.5 by 2.5 centimeters, making it incredibly easy to pack and transport. Its lightweight design, at approximately 86 grams, further enhances its portability. Durable construction, made from sturdy iron, this table is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It provides a stable surface for your camp stove, cookware, and other essentials. Versatile compatibility. The butterfly table is designed to be compatible with other CAMPINGMOON tables, including bridge tables, allowing you to create a larger and more customized camp kitchen setup. Gas canister mounting. This table is specifically designed to accommodate long high-mounting gas canisters, providing a secure and convenient fuel source for your camp stove. Easy setup and storage. The folding design allows for quick and easy setup and takedown. When not in use, the table folds down compactly for convenient storage. Specifications: product name, Butterfly Table. Model, GT3. Material, iron. Weight, ~86 grams. Unfolded size, 36 by 12.5 by 8 centimeters. Folded size, 36 by 12.5 by 2.5 centimeters. Benefits: creates a dedicated cooking space, provides a stable and convenient surface for cooking and meal preparation. Enhances organization, helps keep your camp kitchen organized and clutter-free. Portable and convenient, easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for camping and other outdoor activities. Versatile use, compatible with other CAMPINGMOON tables for creating larger setups. Secure gas canister mounting, designed for use with long high-mounting gas canisters. Overall, the CAMPINGMOON Butterfly Table is a practical and convenient addition to any camping or outdoor cooking setup. Its compact folding design, durable construction, and compatibility with other CAMPINGMOON tables make it a versatile and valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy cooking and dining in comfort and style with this handy portable table.